Hey guys, listen up, it's time to play. Past tense rules are here today. Actions done, they're in the past. Learn them now, you'll speak so fast. I walked to school, I played all day. Verbs change forms, that's what we say. For regular verbs, just added. Like talk, talked. It's easy indeed. But watch out, some verbs are irregular. They don't follow rules, you must memorize. Go and went, see and saw, you know. Memorize them and you will grow. Past tense, it's what we do. Actions finished, now they're through. He laughed, she danced, we jumped, you ran. Learn the rules, be a past tense fan. Negative, just add did not, didn't. I didn't eat, she didn't sprint. Questions, flip with did, that's neat. Did you call? Did he eat? Time words help. Yesterday, last night, ago in 2020, they make it right. Every sentence